In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a subpage in Notion. Linking pages makes your workspace more organized and navigation smoother, whether you're managing projects, notes, or databases. Start from your Notion homepage and locate the subpage you want to link. Open the subpage and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Copy Link. This copies the direct URL of your subpage, an essential step for linking it elsewhere. Next, navigate to the main page where you want to create the link. Click where you want the link to appear, type a / and then type Mention a Page. Click the option that appears to see a list of all your pages and subpages. Here you can either select your subpage from the list or paste the link you copied earlier using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Hit enter or click Mention to finalize the link. And just like that, you've successfully linked a subpage in Notion. This makes your workspace more connected, organized, and easier to navigate. Whether it's for a project, research, or notes, linking pages can save you a lot of time and keep everything streamlined. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Notion tips and tricks.